On our 20th birthday, we thank you for celebrating with us. Over the last 20 years, we've enabled more than 3 billion face-to-face connections, and it's all thanks to you. We've been there for birthdays, holidays, graduations, engagements, baby showers, and more. We've been there for each other's biggest milestones and most memorable moments, when you looked like this, and we looked like this, and this, and this. Whether you're sending invitations by text or email, hosting alone or with a friend, giving gifts or donating to a favorite charity, we've been there for every celebration. The people and parties may look a little different, but what matters remains the same: being together for life's most important moments. Together, you've thrown 70 million parties, celebrated 25 million birthdays, blown out 209 million candles, said over 500,000 I do's, seen old friends, and met new ones. You have been the life of our parties. This year, it's our turn to celebrate, and we're choosing to celebrate you. We hope you'll be there with us for the next 20 years and counting, because this party is just getting started.